It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, September 21st, the last full day of the summer of 2016. I'm James Spann. It looks awfully dry through the weekend, but changes coming up next week. So let's go in there and check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view as the day begins. Ridging here in a dry air mass. That means a quiet pattern for a while. The storm track near the Canadian border and the ghost of Julia over on the Atlantic coast, producing rain around the Chesapeake Bay. Hey, Fort Payne, 59. It feels pretty good. Cullman, 62. But notice in the city, it's much warmer at Birmingham. It's 76. A lot of that's the urban heat island effect. Minimum temperatures are much warmer in bigger cities. Around the nation, you can see a tongue of warmer air coming up across the heartland, but still nice and cool in the northeast and northwest. Got a flash flood watch for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Other than that, things are fairly quiet. Up in the same zone, a slight risk of severe storms today for parts of the upper Midwest. Of course, nothing here will be quiet. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks well to the west and north. And for day 3, which is Friday, marginal risk over parts of the western high plains. We need rain around here, but the odds of getting beneficial rain just not good for the next 5 days. This is valid through early Monday morning of next week, suggesting basically nothing for much of the state. Maybe a few isolated storms near the Gulf Coast and really nothing beyond that. Tropical weather. Again, the ghost of Tropical Storm Julia on the middle Atlantic coast of the United States. Carl has just been having a hard time. That thing finally got downgraded yesterday. It's a tropical depression in the middle of the Atlantic, and then Lisa, tropical storm in the eastern Atlantic. Carl, a recurver. Should recurve a little east of Bermuda this weekend. No threat to the United States. And Lisa, gaining latitude and should dissipate in again. No threat to any landmass at all. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. This is at 500 millibars. Again, ridging here, got a trough in the northwest. Sunny today, low 90s are likely, much like yesterday. That's about 8 to 10 degrees above average. Same thing tomorrow, sunny, the high around 90. Friday, same thing, mostly sunny, close to 90 Friday afternoon. No rain for high school football Friday night. And Saturday, looking dry. The GFS showing 91. And Sunday, mostly sunny with 92, so we'll be more than likely in that 90 to 93 degree range for the next 5 days with little, if any, rain. But hey, look at Monday. Look at the front from near Madison, Wisconsin, down to San Angelo, Texas. Monday night, the front comes in here, and by golly, we can mention perhaps a chance of rain showers with that. Monday night and early Tuesday, and then by midday Tuesday, the front is on to the east, and we should be getting into drier and cooler air. And then this is Wednesday of next week. Hey, that's exciting. Talk about a ridge beat down. Big trough digging in from the north, and got the front stalled out if this is right over central Alabama. It could be deeper in the state than that. And you can see that cooler air, really a nice cool air north of us, and that's kind of nosing in here. So there's a pretty good chance by the middle of next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll see cooler nights, lower daytime highs. It'll feel much more like fall. And again, that's right at the end of September, typically when you get the first decent front of the season. Look at the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, the end of September. And, wow, big trough over the east. Nice, refreshing, pleasant air mass. Good to see those shades of blue and green around here. So, again, if this verifies, next week, cooler. Can't promise a whole lot of rain, but at least some could get some rain Monday night or early Tuesday with a front. Numbers, you can see they come way down. Highs around 80 by Wednesday and Thursday of next week with lows down in the upper 50s. And who knows, just maybe after this weekend, the consistent 90s are gone until next summer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.